So the setup we got here, this Camaro drag car, is a 6-liter truck engine and with a power glide, about a 4500 stall converter is where it seems to stall at, and a 12-bolt rear end in it. The been having some issues. We noticed that the motor just does not like to make any RPM, and just from the sound of it and kind of the way the graph looks, we don't think that it's got any type of aftermarket camshaft in it. It sounds like a stock cam, behaves like a stock cam. We're only yielding mid 400 horsepower out of it on about 10 pounds. Is 10 pounds is probably the highest boost we've been able to push through it. We're having some issues with the boost controller, not wanting to power up. So we're kind of fighting that. We're running it on gate pressure right now. It's making between 8 and 10 pounds on gate. But we're getting there. We got a little bass tune in it. The car is set up with a 3-bar map and a lot of good stuff. We just haven't been able to reach the capabilities of everything yet. But we're not done with it. We're going to keep working with it and keep pushing on it harder and harder and see what we can get out of it. But at this point, I really think we need to go through and upgrade this camshaft and valve springs. It just behaves like a stock cam in a pickup truck. So, but anyway, that's pretty much the complete update on that. So we're about done with the dyno tune for the night, and gonna wrap it up. But we'll get back at it probably tomorrow and see if we can squeeze a little bit more out of it. But I think with this setup, I just don't think that we're gonna make a whole lot more power with it being a stock cam and springs in it. So. But anyway, that's about it on this one. So catch you on the next one.